How to create text presets and templates. To begin, I created a sliding animation for my text and would like to use this animation for other texts. Right-click on the text that you want to create a preset template from it, and choose Export as Motion Graphics Template. In the pop-up window, type a name for your template and click OK. Now your template is created. To use it, go to Captions and Graphics tab and delete your current text. Go to Essential Graphics panel and in My Templates tab, you can see your new template. Drag and drop it into your timeline. Now you can select the text and change it like any other text. For example, select the text layer and go Effect Controls panel, and if you want the animation to last longer, increase the distance between keyframes. The power of this method is when you change an instance of a template, the template itself won't change. And you can use it again with its original properties. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.